All right, to solve a square root equation, that means an equation within a square root, we want to isolate the square root. So our first step in this problem would be to subtract 2 from both sides, so that we would get the square root of 2x minus 1 isolated on one side of the equation. Then we can square both sides. Be careful, anytime you square both sides, you must check your answer because you might get an extraneous root even if you do all your steps correct. All right, so when we square a square root, we get what's underneath the square root, which is just the 2x minus 1. So on the left-hand side, we have 2x minus 1, and on the right-hand side, we have 3 squared, which is 9. Now we have a linear equation. This should be simple to solve. Just add 1 to both sides. And that gives us 2x equals 10, and then hopefully you can get it from there. Divide by both sides by 2, x is 5. So we want to make sure that checks in the original equation. So we check it. We're going to check x equals 5 into 2x minus 1 plus 2 equals 5. Make sure you do it in the original, not into 2x minus 1 or into square root of 2x minus 1 equals 3. No. So we're going to put in 5 for x, so 2 times 5 minus 1 plus 2, and you simplify this using your order of operations, which means to simplify inside the parentheses first. And we have multiplication in there, 10 minus 1, and 10 minus 1 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So when you plug in 5 for x, the left side is a 5, and the right side is 5. So that means this is the correct solution. So our answer is 5.